Hey guys, Cody here. Welcome to another Motor Monday. And my camera is off. Better? Yeah. Today we're going to show you another one of our ideals. This is our 1.5 horsepower pre-1920s ideal hit and miss. This motor originally came from a lady outside of Statesville who sold it to my friend after her husband passed away. When we got it, we did not have the crankcase cover. It also had a hole in the block. So because of the issues we had when it was first came to us, we ended up putting a whole new block underneath it and adding a couple of the parts. Everything was kind of dirty, so we freed it all up and got it running pretty good. We did not play with the rings or anything inside the sleeve or the bore, which is a good thing because this thing already has so much compression that we actually had to add a compression release to it to try and even start it. So what makes this motor pretty unique is a lot of them don't have the air shroud that covers the cylinder. And you also don't see many of them running the fan with the belt set up. This is how they originally came, and it's really cool that we actually have the original shroud for this motor. The muffler on this motor is actually pretty cool because it is mimicked after an original styled one, but it's all homemade. It actually works quite well. This motor also features a Lincolnheimer carb that makes it quite easy to run. But overall, this motor actually grabs a lot of attention when we're at a show. The main reason is because it hits pretty often, even though it is a hit and miss. It's just because it has really small flywheels. So people really like to look at it. You would normally see one of these motors on a reel mower. It's like a self-propelled lawnmower back in the pre-1920s. So that's a little bit of information about it. I'm going to go ahead and do a cold start of the motor. This motor has not been cranked in probably a week and a half or so. We'll see how it does. It normally cranks pretty easy for us. Well, now that I said that, when I try and crank it, it's probably not going to do anything for me. But let's go ahead and give it a gander. Alright guys, this is a cold start of our 1.5 horsepower ideal hit and miss. Alright guys, so that was our pre-1920s ideal hit and miss. As you can tell, this thing runs quite well. It has a lot of compression, which means it is kind of hard to turn over, especially with those little flywheels. Man, they're hard to grab sometimes. And the biggest thing you have to worry about is when you're turning over to make sure you don't let this come up and snag you, because I've been cut by it before and it sucks. But I gotta go ahead and thank my friend Ty for letting me film my video with his motor, and that's all I got for this week with this one. We'll probably see it in another Motor Monday later down the road. Alright guys, so if you liked the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, press the subscribe button. And if you have any questions about this motor, I'll do my best to answer them. I'm not as familiar with this motor because it is my friend's, but I'll try my best. I can ask him. He knows all the information about it. But I'll see you guys next week on another Motor Monday. Later.